feeling all around, missing my younger days. Oh, then you should have known me much better, 'cause my passion's something that never got in my way. Oh no, still I would not be here now if I never had the hunger. And I'm not ashamed to say the wild boys were my friends. Oh, 'cause I never had the desire to let beauty set me on fire when I was saved. Oh yeah, we were keeping the faith. Yeah, 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 keep the faith. It won't matter, dog boots, only flag brothers hiding with the Cuban heel. Iridescent socks with the same color shirt and the top pair of chinos. I put on my soft skin jacket, you know the kind with the velvet collar and diddy bop shades. Oh yeah, I took a fresh pack of Luckies and the menthol scents in. My old man strolling and his old spice aftershave. I comb my hair in the pompadour like the rest of the Romeos wore a permanent wave. Oh yeah, we were keeping the faith. Yeah, 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 keeping the faith. You can get just so much from the good things. You can linger too long in your dreams. Say goodbye to the oldies but goodies. You know the good old days weren't always good. Tomorrow ain't as bad as it seems. I learned stickball as a formal education. I lost a lot of fights, but it taught me how to lose okay. I heard about sex, but not enough. Found that the dance still looked tough anyway. Yes, they did. And I found that a man ain't just being macho. And an awful lot of late night driving fool, drag a lot of take home pay. Well, I thought it was a Duke of Earl when I made it with the redhead girl in the Chevrolet. Oh yeah, we were keeping the faith. Yeah, 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 keeping the faith. Uh-huh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. You know the good old days weren't always good. Tomorrow ain't as bad as it seems. So you might ring for the whole revival. Now I'm going outside to have a nice cold beer in the shade. I'm gonna listen to my 45s. Ain't it wonderful to be alive when the rock and roll plays? Oh yeah, when the memories stay. Oh yeah, we were keeping the faith.